Good morning everyone. Today is Saturday the 10th of May and it's move on day for us, or home day for us, but we're not going straight home. We're going up to Staithes, seeing as we missed that yesterday. Steve's just cleaning the windscreen because there are a bit of naughty birds. We've been doing things on it, so everything's put away. Just the rubbish to get rid of on the way out. Beautiful day again. It's probably around about 16 degrees already and it's only 10:30. I say this is a lovely site. We're on the Camping and Caravanning Club site in Scarborough. It cost us for 2 nights, which was Thursday night and last night Friday night, cost us £61.40, and that was hard standing and electric hookup. Facilities seem good, nice and clean. Shower block, only 2 showers in the ladies though, but I think there's 3 or 4 shower blocks around the site. It is quite a big site.
Number 4, no, it's 5.
5 shower blocks.
Yeah, because we can use 2 and 5.
Oh.
When it shucks, 1, 3 and 4 is
Yeah,
shut.
because they close for cleaning between 10 and 11. So, but apparently we can use blocks 2 and 5 when they are shut. So yeah, everything's clean. Just got to put my step back in with the thing in the middle. Windows are all shut, roof is down. So here I am. Good morning everyone. Yes, beautiful sunshine, isn't it? So that's the way. Don't want that scratching anything. Just going to get out of here. Don't forget the kettle's got to go back in the step when you put the step in. But say, what a beautiful campsite. There aren't many on here. Eh?
Still have a run round Staithes Sunday day or 4, and then we're back to Leicester tonight. Yeah, usually we could stay another night, but not there, but
Just left the step out.
there's a road too good to you. Yourself.
Put that back on that purple thing.
Yeah.
Right, grey moose is all packed up. It's just fell out of there. Let's open up pillars. That's the water for the journey. Let's just loosen that on there. As I was saying, it is a nice campsite. That's another toilet block down there. Right, I'll just go round the corner. I'll be back in a minute.
Alright.
Be back in a minute.
Yeah.
Yep. There's a lovely little caravan. So it's a well kept site. Lots of grass pitches as well as hard standings. And the hard standings are quite nice, and not just gravel, they have the plastic stuff. Not sure what this is. That must be the dog walk. Yes, that looks like a dog walk through there. Not sure what this is. Maybe it's a little shelter area. Is that rosemary? Yes, it is. I wonder if it's like a barbecue area. It's got seating in. What does this say? Presented by the Yorkshire Region in memory of Derek Wood, past president of Yorkshire Region and vice president of Camping and Caravanning Club. Oh, it's just like a little bit of shelter. As I say, what a beautiful spot for a campsite. Well spaced out. So over here you have the fire point with the little triangle. Yeah. Fire point, waste disposal, wastewater only, no chemical disposal. But that's your drinking water. So this is just your waste disposal. And this is your wastewater side. I won't be able to take you in the toilet because they are cleaning. I can show you the family room. There's the entrance. Quite clean. Washing up area. Even a little bucket for waste food. And there's another toilet block over there. Another one over there by the looks of it. That's the men's toilets. Oh, someone's burnt their food on. I wonder if they've left that there or just left it to soak. It looks like just going to check because that looked like our little washing thing. No, better check with Steve first, better not just take it. Morning. I'll show you as we drive out of the camp and go to the thing. Go to the rubbish dump. There's he gone. Big black crow. Let's have a look. Where is he? Stephen?
Yeah.
You didn't leave our purple scrapey thing in the washroom, did you? Did you have a sponge as well?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I must have saved myself on the side.
It's sitting on the sink. I don't know. You don't always forget something, don't you?
Yeah, where do you want to go?
I'll go and get them. You can drive and stop by it. Okay, folks. Like I say, I'll pop on again in a minute and show you the other end as we go out. But yes, it's a lovely site. Beautiful views. You're only 5 minutes from the coast. There's a walk straight out of the camp across the cliffs and then down into Scarborough. I'm amazed how quiet it is, seeing it's such a beautiful weekend. Okay folks, I will catch you soon or in a minute.